In hour two, and back in 2016 of the ninth flight, we did see about 40,000 power of two to power of 40,000. The power of 40,000 to about, say, about 6 million power of two. It would be unknown numbers, but if you say power of 40,000, it was about 2 million or so. That was using a very small object, but we saw that it was a large cluster of messy matter, and it has lots of things stuck in it. That was very uh, crafted and largely to make a calculation that high to prove that they can do. But I did see many effects that they cause. So the higher the calculation that you do make on an object, we did notice that that does affect the environment. So at some point, uh, if you were to use a calculation, say at the power of, say, I want to say 400 million or so, then the numbers that you use in the power of 400 million, you would have to take that to a void, perhaps, I would say. Otherwise, I would believe that it would destroy something in the environment using anything related to that over there. Thank you.